Welcome to the front of your OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first use the Play Store application. Here in search pool, let's enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why I tap here to install, and after that wait a second while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open, tap here yes I agree, closed, okay. And now here we can see the section with the health of our device battery. In my case that's good, and also we can find here more info like the battery health, just temperature, capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.